The Western Regional Health Authority is reporting a 9.5% decline in births. This following a similar drop disclosed by Victoria Jubilee Hospital recently. Shamela Pullen reports.
The Victoria Jubilee Hospital is the country's largest maternity facility. Days ago, it reported a drop in the number of babies born annually. Officials say last year, a little over 300 babies were delivered, compared to previous years where the number stood in the region of over 500. But this trend isn't isolated. Over in Western Jamaica, the authorities there are observing a similar decline. Technical Director for the Western Regional Health Authority, Dr. WRHA, describes the situation as an emerging concern.
In 2023, the number of patients that was born in hospital, babies born in hospital, 6,143. And in 2024, it was 5,560. If you look at that, that's a decrease of 9.5%. That is almost 10%. And 10% is significant for, our birth rate, live births. Definitely significant. So there is a trend.
Dr. Frey says one of the factors driving this decline is men struggling with low sperm counts.
And the question is, why this is so? Is it their clothing? It is any substance they are using? So that could be one factor. The other factor is we don't know the number of termination that were done. We won't be able to ascertain that neither, because we are not going to have figures from a hospital setting. So it's a multifactorial thing which we need to watch and we need to analyze to see how we can come to grips with what is happening. So it's very multifactorial at this time.
But while they try to get to the bottom of the problem, it is still not all doom and gloom. According to Dr. Frey, more Jamaicans are living longer than ever before.
I believe in the future what we'll be looking at is to see how we're going to improve nursing homes, because we don't need these patients to clog up hospital bed. You can treat them and they're going to a nursing home facility, just like the model they have like in first world country where, patients are housed there, doctors can visit them, etc., etc. And as I've said, our health centers, we are improving them.
Meanwhile, the Health Ministry is set to review its approach to reproductive health and explore ways to support those struggling to conceive. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.